Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to my channel. When it comes to lunchtime convenience and Ramadan savories, finding recipes that are both easy to prepare and delicious to eat is a top priority. This simple heat and eat chicken roll option is the ideal solution. Let's start with our dough, which will make 10 rolls about 12 centimeters in size. To a bowl, add 2 cups of flour, then add 1.5 teaspoons of yeast, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and mix all these dry ingredients together. In a small bowl, add 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil, and half a cup of full cream milk. Beat this all together, then add to the dry ingredients. Using yeast in the dough allows it to rise and gives it a soft and fluffy texture. There are many ways to making dough. It all depends on what you're making the dough for. This is what my dough looks like for this savory. Cover with plastic wrap and leave this aside to rise. While the dough is rising, let's make the filling for our chicken rolls. To a flat based pot on medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of butter ghee. Then add a 1/4 cup of chopped onions. When the onions are slightly transparent, add in 500 grams of steamed chicken. For the chicken, I used 500 grams of chicken fillet and added half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. Mix all together and then add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken spice, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of crushed red chilies, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce or any other hot sauce. Mix all together, then add 4 tablespoons of mixed chopped peppers, green, red, and yellow. To a bowl, quickly add 1 cup of full cream milk, then 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix together, and then add this to the chicken. Leave for about 5 minutes so that the flour and milk mix can thicken. Allow to cool completely. It's now time to assemble our chicken rolls. Grease an oven tray and leave aside. Then take the dough and divide this into 10 equal pieces. Take each piece of dough and roll out thinly to about 15 centimeters. Place a tablespoon of filling onto one corner as shown. Then follow the rolling procedure as shown here. These look so cute and neat, right? Do the same for the rest of the pieces and then place onto the greased oven tray. Brush each chicken roll with beaten egg as shown. Then sprinkle some sesame seeds over this. Bake in a preheated oven 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. These are what they should look like. Golden brown on the top and underneath. Serve while hot with your favorite chutneys and sauces, or you can freeze these as a heat and eat option. The inside filling is spicy and full of flavor, perfect for lunchboxes and to add to your Ramadan savory list. Don't forget to connect with me on my socials, and until the next vlog, happy cooking! Thanks for watching!